Good morning, good afternoon, evening. Welcome to Master Table, Master Trader 101. I'm here once again to give you a great video. And as you all know, the market been reddish greenish for the past few days. It's been up and down, especially the other day. It's been all the way from 400 SP 500 to all the way to 365, and then the other day went back to 380. Now it's going back to 365 again. But the stock I'm watching is COSTCO, and as you can see right now it's 446. If you look at the daily graph on COSTCO, which is crazy, because I've been I see on April 2022 it was at 607, but right now it's at 446. So whoever was shorting at this price has a good deal. The last part, the lowest it went through is a 400. So basically, and right now it's just going back again to lower 446. So as you can see, if you look at my indicators, let's again go to indicators, VWAP, MA, RSI. If you look at the MA is below the MA. Whenever it start go below the MA, this is the time to start shorting because it's gonna go red. So now we're gonna talk about a news that's been going on for Benzinga. As you can see, they said death cross on COSTCO was sell short. So if you know me, I want to be bullish on COSTCO, except there's a special news going on, and that's the news I was waiting for, because inflation, supply chain, and that's making a big impact on the way the market move, and that's what happened, you see. But now you can see the news say COSTCO is gonna be having the death cross. He dropped 100 something point, and now there's a death cross. So let's see what the article said. If history is any guide, there will be trouble ahead of share to COSTCO. It's so-called death cross at form and chart. What to know? Many traders using moving average crossover system to make their decision. Like I told you, there is an RSI, MA, and then so on and so forth. VWAP, those are indicators that you can use to make profit. When a shorter term average price crosses above a long term average prices, it could mean the stock is trending higher. That's what I say. When MA is, and when the stock is above MA, the is option call. When it's below MA is option put. If the short term average price is below the long term average price, it means the trend is lower. Below, option put. Higher, option call. Above, option call. What is important? The 50 days and the 200-day moving average are commonly used. You see, the MA, I use the 5, some people use 50, some people use 200, but the 200 people say is more accurate. It depends. Like I said, I'm more likely to a day trader, and then it's up to you. As you can see, this death cross is the picture they show. This is death cross, you see. This is when the 200 and the thrown together, and this is where it is right now. And they have the death cross, since the death cross was supposed to be over here, but they just find out like come on, when June, and the last time it was 600, like I said, was in April. And I wonder why they wait all that time to make sure that it was going on all the way down, because at this point people say it's bullish at this point at 600, but now since it's 446, so they wanted you to lose money. That's why now I'm trying to go to find out what the lie go within, because they tell you something to be optimistic, but the thing at the end of the day, they root you or they lie to you. For seasonal investor, this is a sign that it might be time to start considering possible short position. Well, here's the thing. I wonder, when they do short position, I wonder if they are planning to bail them out. As you can see, the AAPS estimate for the third quarter is 3, and actually 3.17. So basically, every time is match, it go higher. So the estimate is one of the things you can look at, the value, the actual price, so you can figure out if it's a good investment for you was a bad investment. But for myself, those big companies like Apple, COSTCO, and Amazon and Google, those are companies in recession, they're gonna get bailed out by the government, because if those go down, I think the whole USA is actually on fire. Like the economy is very bad, is worse than expected. So I think even though they say it's gonna have a crossroad, I think at this point COSTCO gonna be to 400 or lower, and we're expecting that. um so basically that was the article for today. As you can see, it's been going down, and today we're gonna see if we can add another indicators. Go to all indicators. Another indicator I use for myself to protect my portfolio, which is a beautiful, it is the Bollinger. The Bollinger is one of the indicator that you can use to track your gaining, your losing, and the moving of the stock. If you're not familiar, the Bollinger, it is the upper Bollinger, and it is the lower Bollinger. The mid, the blue line is the mid, and the top one right there is the upper, the one lower. When he's touching the upper, as you can see over there, touch the upper, this is when you time to do option put, and we touch the lower, this was the option call. As you can see, to lower twice and option call, and at this time it crossed the mid. I think it's the lower. As you can see, the lowest is 420. So basically, I think by next week it's gonna go to 426, especially by next week. Powell gonna talk Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday and Thursday is gonna have the annual meeting. So basically, watch out for that. I think they're gonna be red again for the past few days. So trade safe, everyone. And if you like my video, guys, let me know. Give me a comment down below. And guys, if you want to be part of my group challenge for $20 to $1 million for 3 to 6 months, you'll be gladly to participate. I'll be doing Weibo on when I do my trade. Unfortunately, last week I missed. I was very greedy, and it cost my my portfolio. This week I'm gonna be more disciplined, because I learned my lesson. I used to be greedy last week. Past few days I've been greedy, and it worked out for me. But last week I was too greedy, and then it cost me. So this time I'm gonna be slowing down and a small profit. I know my strategy is 100% guaranteed, but the thing is, I was being too extreme. So this time I'm gonna be more reasonable, and then you can join in and make money together, and feel free. And that was the video for today. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, share to anyone that's new, subscribe, and smash that button. And once again, it was my children 101. I'll see you next video. Ciao, have a good day.
Check.